What's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. I'm going to do a quick video on this 2007 Tahoe. All the information is going to be on my website, www.deluxe-motorsports.com. If you haven't subscribed, right there in the bottom right corner, click the subscribe button. That will subscribe you to our channel. That way, anytime we post videos of the new vehicles we're selling, you will have first access to them. So this is a 07 Tahoe. It has just over 206,000 original miles. It's been through my service department. We've done some extensive service on it to make sure mechanically it is exactly the way it should be. We did install a transmission with 90,000 miles. The old transmission took a crap, so we put a new one in it with 90K. We've done 4 ball joints, brakes, you name it, we've done it. So I am 100% confident in the aspect of reselling this truck with 200K. I would still stand behind it easily. We service a vehicle like this even if it had 30,000 miles, no different. We service them all the same way just to make sure mechanically they're the way they should be. But body's in absolutely gorgeous shape. Of course, undercarriage rust-free, no rust issues. And I'll give you a quick shot of the interior. It's a Z71 loaded up with leather. The leather is still excellent shape. I mean, obviously it's an 07, man. You guys got to realize it's 12 years old, but this thing shows like it's probably, you know, 5-6 years old with 70-80,000 miles. And it drives like one that's got 60,000 miles easily. Tiny bit of wear on the driver's seat, nothing crazy, nothing to worry about. Passenger seat's in good shape. Again, loaded up Z71, sunroof, power everything. Tread on the tires, excellent. You can see the frame, no rust issues anywhere, no flaking rust. So again, if you're in the market for a cheap SUV, you want a little bit of lift, something that's good for hunting, fishing, taking girls out, taking your wife out, throwing the kids in the back, whatever you want to do, this one will do it right here. 2007 Chevy Tahoe, now ready for sale over at Deluxe Motorsports. Go to our website direct for more information, www.delux-motorsports.com. You can follow us on Instagram, the good old Insta. That address is Deluxe_Motorsports. So again, if you're interested, give us a shout. We have tons of other vehicles that we constantly buy and sell weekly, so there's new stuff that's constantly coming up. That's why I would highly recommend subscribing. That way, as soon as we post it for sale, you'll be one of the first ones notified. So anyway, give us a call, 540-898-1300.